Accidentally deleted your important files? Want to recover data from a hard drive, SSD, USB drive, or memory card? Introducing Softaken Data Recovery Software, a powerful and easy-to-use solution for recovering lost files safely and quickly. Step 1. Choose recovery mode. First, choose the recovery mode according to your data loss situation. Deleted file recovery, recommended for normally deleted files. Recycle bin recovery, quickly recover files removed from the recycle bin. Advanced deleted recovery, performs deeper NTFS and MFD analysis for difficult recovery cases. Deep signature recovery, ideal for formatted drives or damaged file index situations. Step 2. Select the drive. Now select the drive where your files were lost or deleted. The software supports HDDs, SSDs, USB drives, and memory cards. Important tip: never save recovered files to the same drive that is currently being scanned. Step 3. Scan for lost files. The software deeply scans the selected drive and detects recoverable files using advanced recovery algorithms. You can easily monitor live scan progress and file categories during the recovery process. Step 4. Preview recoverable data. After the scan is complete, preview recoverable files before recovery. Verify photos, documents, videos, and other files using the built-in preview feature. You can also quickly locate files using search and filter options. Scan reports can also be exported in CSV, HTML, and JSON formats. Step 5. Recover selected files. Now select the required files and click Recover. Save the recovered data to a safe location. Batch recovery is also supported for a faster recovery process. The software also supports SHA 256 integrity verification for secure recovery. Step 6. Create forensic disk image. Technician Edition users can also create forensic disk images. Create bit-by-bit forensic disk images with SHA 256 verification and provenance details. Working on a duplicate image instead of the original evidence drive is a safer and more professional approach. Important notes: stop using the affected drive immediately after data loss. Overwritten files cannot be recovered. Deep signature recovery may take longer, but it is highly useful after formatting. All recovery operations stay on your PC. No cloud upload required. Recover your lost data safely and efficiently with Softaken Data Recovery Software. Download now and bring your important files back in just a few simple steps.